Hello everyone, I want to make you a short presentation about the linear guideway and a bow screw. Linear guideway is one of the main parts in linear technology. It is a guiding system for a linear motion. Linear guideway, also known as a linear motion bearing that has a mechanism to support the load. The main function of it is to make sure that machine two operative elements move along the predetermined path. Linear guideway is made up by the block, rail and the rolling elements. The linear block moves forward and backward along the linear rail. The motion is created along the rail through the recirculating ball bearings within the block that is contacted on the rail. Advantages of a linear guideway: high positional accuracy. It only has a little friction between the block and a rail with a ball bearings. Durable, can withstand a wide range of a load depending on the application. High-speed motion is possible with a low driving force because it only has a small frictional resistance. Equal loading capacity in all directions and easy installation. There are two types of a linear guideway. First is a sliding guideway. It has a high coefficient of friction, unsuitable for an application with a high accuracy and a high speed. Second is a rolling guideway. By using the rolling element between the rail and the block, it can reduce the friction, suitable for an application with a high accuracy and a high speed. We can classify rolling guideway according to the raceway arrangement. First is an X arrangement. The rolling element loading center are inside the rail. It's unable to maintain a good rigidity when a rolling element is applied. Second is an O arrangement. The rolling element loading center are outside the rail. It's able to maintain a good rigidity when a rolling element is applied. Application of a linear guideway used to conduct each machine table in XYZ direction. Can transport heavy product easily. Used for a material robot that travel to load and unload the product. Next, we will discuss about the bow screw. It is an important part for a linear motion system. The main function of it is to convert the rotational motion to a linear motion with a least amount of the friction. It also generating a bigger force from a smaller force. Bow screw is made up by the rotating screw shaft, ball nut that consisting of a recirculating ball bearings. As the shaft rotates, the nut moves linearly along the screw shaft. Advantages of a bow screw. The operation is smooth when compared to other types of screw. High efficiency. It operates at a minimum of 90% efficiency. Able to carry heavy load at fast and efficient speed. Wear-free due to the presence of a lubricating film. Disadvantages of bow screw. Costly. Overhauling due to the low friction. Braking system is required to stop the wet driving. Limitation of bow screw. During operation of a machine tool, motion between the nut and the bow screw induces a heat generation. Causes path control error between the processing tool and a workpiece. To minimize this error, shaft cooling bow screw have been utilized. To further enhance the cooling performance, nut cooling bow screw has been developed. A nut cooling bow screw has been developed for a high precise machining processes because it achieves a higher cooling capability than a shaft cooling bow screw. There are four basic types of bow recirculation of nut. First is an end cap method, second is a deflator method, third is a return tube method, and the last is a guide plate method. Types of bow screw. First, it is a roll bow screw. It is manufactured by a thread rolling machine. It has a high production rate but has a low accuracy. Second is a ground bow screw. It is manufactured by a cylindrical grinding machine. It has a high accuracy but has a low production rate. Application of bow screw. Bow screws are used in a variety of jobs. Aircraft use it for a main landing gear and a horizontal stabilizer. Automotive brake use it to open and close valves that apply and release fluid pressure to brake pad. Bow screw also used in CNC machine, printing equipment, injection molding machine. Next, we will discuss about the linear actuator. It is a combination of a linear guideway, below and above screw. It is a mechanical device that converts energy to create motion in a straight line through a linear motor, belt drive, or a ball screw drive. We will make a comparison between a belt drive actuator and a ball screw actuator. Belt drive linear actuator. It translates motion through a timing belt connected between the two circular pulleys. It is suitable for an application requiring horizontal long travel distance, possessing fewer critical moving parts, thus less level is needed. Limitation. Not utilized in vertical system with a motor brake. There is a risk of sending back the load into free fall if there was a loss of power. They are elastic and can wear over time. Ball screw linear actuator. A motor transmits power through a couple to rotate the screw. It is suitable for carrying heavy load. It has a high accuracy and precise, and a high thrust capability. Limitation. Long stroke cannot be achieved due to the inertia of the screw. Below shows the application of a linear actuator in home application, industrial application, and a medical application. Thank you for your attention, and that's all from me.